Hi, I'm Claudia Whitman, and I'm the director of NDRAN of Cure, which is a nonprofit organization that helps prisoners who are claiming innocence to get their cases investigated. These are people who are serving very long, often life sentences for crimes that they did not commit. They have long since passed all their appeals and have been unable to get any help. But with new evidence done through investigation, very often you can get a person back into court and they can finally prove their innocence and be exonerated. You're about to meet Charles Wakefield, who's a really amazing person. Charles served 35 years for a crime he didn't commit in the state of South Carolina, and he's been out almost 5 years, working very successfully and leading a really wonderful life. He's going to tell you a little bit about his case and why he is helping NDRAN now to help others.
I was a trustee at a county facility, and the director, he was familiar with my case, and he allowed me to go down to the county library, and from there I learned how to use the internet and develop web pages, and I started contacting people, and NDRAN and Door is one of the organizations that I contacted, trying to get assistance with my case. Things were pretty much at a stalemate because I had needed an investigator and an attorney, and up until that point I was trying to appeal it myself, and I really wasn't going nowhere with it.
Yeah, and that's pretty much the case for most people who are trying to prove their innocence, isn't it?
Right. It's difficult because you don't have any money. Your families normally don't have any money. And most of the time, people are attorneys, professional investigators, they want money. Over a period of time, I had gained trustee status, and I transferred from a state facility to a county. And the director there, he was a decent guy, and he afforded me certain privileges. Eric Gottlieb, he was an attorney advertising to work on a wrongful conviction case, and I requested that he assist me with my parole hearing, and that was the start of that relationship. That's how I acquired the attorney.
Right, and then from then on, we started talking, we started working together, and we would sort of parcel out what needed to be done in terms of investigation and preparation for the case, and then he would do all the legal work and litigation.
Right.
I'd like you to talk about is what you think was the turning point in the case.
I think the investigation of the case, it just turned up certain facts that wasn't visible before. The family, they had certain knowledge of the case, but
this is the family of the victim.
The Lupa family, they had certain knowledge of the case, but they was going under the assumption that I was guilty. But when they got presented with certain facts about the case, they came to a different conclusion, and they decided to help me acquire my freedom. The reason I'm here is because of the legal representation and the investigative work that the people involved in my case did. But there's a lot of other people out there that that's not going to get that level of representation.
Now that you've heard Charles's story and understand why he's here with us now helping NDRAN, I'm hoping that you will really pitch in and help us.
NDRAN of Cure has changed its name to NCCAN, or the National Capital Crime Assistance Network. Look for us at http://nccan.org. And remember, your donations go to a good cause, and they are always welcome.